There was a guy named John. Now, John heard that bloggers and affiliate marketers make on average $35,000 to $40,000 per year. So when he heard the news, he was pumped. He wanted to become a blogger. He wanted to become an affiliate marketer. So he went ahead, paid for hosting, purchased a website, got everything set up, and began pumping articles to his blog. Now, John heard that it takes 4 to 6 months for every blog to reach maximum traffic. So he just spent the first 4 to 6 months pumping articles, waiting for his blog to reach maximum traffic. He kept pumping articles and a year went by. He looked at his blog statistics and his stats were still very low. Very few visitors on a monthly basis. He was barely making any money from his blog. Now, John had a friend who had a more successful website. So he decided to talk to his friend to help him analyze his website and find out what the problem was. So when John met his friend Peter went through John's website and figured out that John didn't do his SEO properly. John barely researched any of the topics that he wrote articles on and just went ahead pumping articles to his blog. John's greatest undoing was writing articles that weren't well researched before uploading them to his blog. And that is the whole topic of this video, SEO. If you are writing articles for affiliate marketing or for just blog posts and you do not research the topics of those articles well, trust me, you will end up like John. You will spend a lot of energy writing articles and nobody is going to see them because they are not SEO optimized. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do SEO for affiliate marketing. If you are new to this channel, on this channel we discuss everything making money online, especially the methods that are free for beginners. So if you're interested in content like this, be sure to subscribe and turn the bell notification icon on so that anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. At the end of this video, if you end up getting some value, please don't forget to leave me a like. And if you didn't get some value, leave me a dislike. Tell me the things you don't like about the video and tell me the way I can improve future videos. So with that out of the way, I'm going to explain how to do SEO for affiliate marketing. I have dropped a first part to this video also on affiliate marketing. In that video, I explain where to get affiliate products from, how to get your links, how to segment your articles. These are the exact strategies I'm using. So I suggest if you haven't watched that video, immediately after watching this video, go ahead and watch that video. That video gives this video context. Okay, I cannot start afresh explaining how to get your links in this video because that will just be me repeating myself. So I will link that video in the description of this video. I'm going to link it in the comment section as well. I'm going to drop it in the card above right here as well, and it's also going to be at the end screen just to make sure you watch that video so that this video will make more sense to you. Okay, so with that said, before you write any article at all for affiliate marketing, the first thing you want to do is to find a topic that has high search and low competition. Keep those two in mind: high search and low competition. These are the two very important key factors to keep in mind. So the first thing you want to do is come over to your Google Ads account. Just go to your Google search, just like this, and type ads.google.com. ads.google.com. And it will bring you to this place. So you just click sign in. And then you sign in into your Google Ads account. You don't need to worry, we're not running any ads. We just want to use Google's search tool, which is inside this Google Ads account. In every Google Ads account, there is a search tool. So you go here to tools and settings, then you go to keyword planner. Just taking a second, it's going to finish loading. Okay, right. So now after it has loaded, you see discover new keywords and you see get search volume and forecast. You click this one that says discover new keywords. Before you begin searching anything at all, the first thing you want to do is to click this country here for you to show your country. Me, I'm from Nigeria, so you show Nigeria here. You click it and then you come here and cancel it because you want your search to be targeted at the whole world. You don't want to target your search to only Nigerian audience. You want everybody in the world to see your article. So that's why you cancel Nigeria there and you click save. So after you've done that, now you can begin searching for a topic that has 1, high search, and 2, low competition. Those are the two most important factors. In the previous video that I was talking about, I talked about 2 kinds of articles: the evergreen articles and the time-bound articles. Evergreen articles are articles that keep on getting traffic all year round, and time-bound articles are articles that, based on the topic, they have their high moments and eventually they die away. Time-bound articles are usually articles that carry the products name. Again, if you don't understand what I'm saying, please go back and watch that video. It's very, very important and packed with information. So at this point, we're going to assume that you've gone to your affiliate marketing website, you've picked the product you want to promote. For example, we're going to assume that we're promoting Resurge. Resurge is a weight loss product that was listed on ClickBank, and it made a lot of people a lot of money. Okay, so we're going to assume that Resurge is the product we're trying to promote, and we have written our time-bound article on Resurge. We have written an article that is titled Resurge Reviews. Like if you just go to Google right now and search Resurge weight loss review or Resurge weight loss supplement, you can see people that wrote articles on Resurge. So this one says Resurge review, does Resurge weight loss supplement really work? If you open this in a different tab, just a second, okay, and this is the article, and we scroll down, see this is an affiliate link. If you click here, now this is the person's affiliate link. This is the Resurge. This is the Resurge sales page. Okay, so if I go ahead and watch this video, and after watching this video I buy the product, the guy who wrote this article makes a sale, and he just put his, look at this one here, click to order Resurge. So he put his affiliate link all over the article, and he has written this article one time, and now this article is ranking on Google, and he titled this article Resurge Reviews, does Resurge weight loss supplement really work? Okay, so he wrote this article one time and it is ranking on Google. This is a time-bound article. Why do I call it a time-bound article? At some point in the future, people are going to stop searching for Resurge. People are going to move on to more efficient weight loss products. So this article will stop getting searched and it's going to die down. So that's why it's a time-bound article. But there are some articles that are evergreen. For instance, an article that is titled How to Lose Weight. This article is, okay, these ones are ads. These first two are ads. But like this one, 12 tips to help you lose weight. This is not an affiliate based article in my opinion, but the idea is that this person wrote this article once and now this person is ranking in number 1. So if there are affiliate links in this article, as long as this article ranks, he's going to make affiliate sales. Okay, so what I want to teach you in this video is how to select the topic of the article you want to write on. If you decide now to write an article called 12 tips to help you lose weight, trust me, that article is never going to rank. Nobody's going to see your article. You're not going to make any sale. So coming back here, you just want to get an inspiration. Like I said, we're trying to promote Resurge, and we know Resurge is a weight loss product. We have written our time-bound article. Now I want to write our evergreen article still on Resurge. So what you need to search here is how to lose weight. Since you know that Resurge is a weight loss product, so type how to lose weight. You can also add how to lose weight fast. You can also search how to slim down, for instance. Just some ideas, and then you click get results. So it's going to bring you to this table. You can always download this file as a CSV file, and you can view it on your Excel spreadsheet. But let's say you just want to view it here. So look at this one here. This one says, let me just expand this just a second. Right. So this is how to lose weight, and this is the average monthly searches. So this how to lose weight, this keyword how to lose weight gets searched 100,000 to 1 million times per month, and the competition is medium. So it means if you write a really good article, maybe you would rank. But you see this one, how to lose weight fast, 100,000 to 1 million searches, competition is high. If you keep on writing articles and you're naming them how to lose weight fast, your articles are not going to rank. You want to go for articles that have high monthly searches and low competition. Like this one says how to lose face fat, okay, and the competition is really low. So what it means is that if you decide to write a comprehensive article on how to lose face fat, then there's a very good chance that your article is going to rank. And you already know that these keywords have search, okay, it has 100,000 to 1 million monthly searches, okay. You only need a fraction of that, just a fraction of that, to make all the money from affiliate marketing you want to make. So you write an article on this, make it very detailed and make it very long. So now you have picked one keyword, how to lose face fat, okay. You can go to Google and paste it. and you see what other people have done. This person says 8 effective tips to lose fat in your face. So you see what this person has done. You open this article that is ranking number 1, and then you copy all the content of the article. The reason why you're copying is that you want to know the length of the article. You go to this website called wordcounter.net. Word counter. So when you come over to word counter, you go ahead and paste everything that you found on that blog post, just to know the length of the blog post. So you can see this one is 2,000 word article. Okay, so these guys are ranking number 1 on how to lose face fat. They wrote an article of 2,000 words. You can also see what the second guys wrote and know the number of words in the article. You can also do the same thing for the third guys. Okay, just the first 3. Know the number of words in the articles, and after you've done that, make sure you multiply that by a factor of 1.5. So if the longest article there is 3,000 words, write 4,500 words more detailed. And you can see this keyword is how to lose face fat, but this topic is 8 effective tips to lose fat in your face. So it's not a perfect match, but because there's nobody that has written an article on this exact phrase, Google has to take this one as the next best thing. So at this point, Google is working with the next best thing. These 8 tips to lose fat in your face is not an exact match to how to lose face fat, okay? But it's just the next best thing. So it means that if you write an article that exactly matches this, and you write maybe 4,500 words, completely blow away all your competition, and you get some backlinks. Of course, there are a lot of factors that go into SEO, and a lot of factors determine where your article will be placed. But the starting point is that you have an exact match of somebody's query on Google. Alright, so this is what you need to do. Now, when writing this article, every once in a while, you want to direct people to the affiliate product, and you're going to tell them in your article what that product is going to do for them. So for instance, you can say how to lose face fat, blah 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 blah. You're writing everything about how to lose face fat, and then at some point you deviate a little, you talk about how to lose fat in your entire body, and then you now tell them, check out this product that is amazing. You sell the product a little bit at strategic points in your article, and trust me, people are going to click, and then people are going to buy. So I don't want to make this video too long. The video is just about how to do SEO for affiliate marketing, and this is just a starting point. I will do a full course on blog SEO, but that is in the pipeline. It's going to come a while in the future. So if you're sure you don't miss that, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn that bell notification icon on, so that anytime I drop a new video or an update, you'll be the first to be notified. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts on this video. Don't forget to share this video to other people who are looking to make money from affiliate marketing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.